Welcome to the Gohl Clinic of Chiropractic. I'm Dr. Kametz. Our mission is to keep adults and children off of drugs and out of surgery through specific scientific Gonstead chiropractic care. Every time you come into the clinic, the staff will greet you by name. Here's exactly what you can expect on your first visit to the Gohl Clinic. During the consultation and history, we find out exactly why you're here, what your biggest concerns are, and what are your overall goals. This can be done over the phone or in the office. And don't worry, we're not going to waste your time asking you the same questions that you filled in on the history form when you came in. Once we understand exactly what you want, we'll go over exactly what chiropractic is and how we apply Gonstead principles. To determine where the subluxation is, the Gonstead system uses 5 different criteria. The first and most important is the instrumentation. Instrumentation tells us exactly where the interference is at. The second thing we do is static palpation, what we're feeling for swelling or edema right around the nerve at the disc level. The third thing we do is motion palpation, and what we do is we move the spine in different angles to feel restricted motion. The fourth thing we do is visualization. We look at the overall posture of the individual and any other clues, gait analysis, anything else that can possibly give us an idea of what their issue is. And then finally, we use x-rays, full spine x-rays. The x-ray shows us exactly, one, any misalignments that you have in the spine, secondly, the condition of the discs and the bones, and then finally, the overall relationship between the pelvis and the skull. And we use this in one complete, contiguous image. We also offer the option for patients to have their x-rays reviewed by a board-certified chiropractic radiologist to look for any type of pathologies or fractures. All the images that we take are in a standing weight-bearing position, and we use the x-ray to confirm our findings on the exam. The reason it's important for us to see full spine x-rays is because that shows us exactly how every part of the spine relates with each other, including the pelvis, the femur heads, all the way up through the thoracic spine and into the skull. One of the core principles to the Gonstead system is the level foundation. And the level foundation begins all the way from the femur heads and also every disc level. While we are analyzing your x-rays, you'll be watching a video, and that explains exactly what you need to see and understand from your x-rays. It'll explain spinal anatomy, it'll show you where misalignments are, and it'll also show you the difference with the Gonstead adjusting, the preciseness of the adjustment and the gentleness of it too. Once we confirm your exam findings with your x-ray, we'll go over your x-rays with you on the same visit. Some people just want to get out of pain. Other people want to get their condition stabilized. Any way you want to be treated in this office, we're here to serve you. Should you choose to stabilize your condition, recommendations will be given. What makes the Gonstead system so effective is the specific analysis, the great understanding of biomechanics that we have, and also the specificity and the preciseness of the adjusting. Once you get a Gonstead specific adjustment, you'll never want to go back. I didn't. After we make the adjustment, we expect to see the instrumentation a big reduction or zero out after every adjustment we do. Once this takes place, the visits are finished, we'll go over some specific at-home care instructions for you. With a proper and specific Gonstead adjustment, your body will start to function better and you will start to feel better. Gonstead Chiropractic is the foundation of our staff's health and your family's too. With Gonstead Chiropractic, you can start living a life more pain-free and up to your health potential.